Hi, this is Leah. Today we're talking about a subject that is near and dear to my heart, the role of green roofs in bird conservation. Bird conservation is crucial to maintain biodiversity and ecological balance. Urbanization, which is us building houses, office buildings, airports, warehouses, and such, often leads to loss of bird habitats, making conservation in cities a challenge. How can we balance the two so that we can urbanize without sacrificing conservation? If you were a bird, which roof would you choose? The one with a lush green habitat or the really hot, barren one over here? Hmm. Green roofs a solution. So, green roofs are roofs covered with vegetation which can serve as new habitats for birds in urban areas. They offer numerous benefits, including reducing stormwater runoff, saving energy because they insulate the building, and providing wildlife habitat. This study was conducted at Chicago's O'Hare International Airport to explore bird usage on the FedEx green roof as compared to the control on the cargo traditional roof building. Goal: to understand the impact of green roofs on bird conservation and aviation safety. So, not just aviation of our feathered friends, but aviation of airplanes. Okay, so the FedEx green roof had significantly higher species richness and higher Shannon diversity index compared to the cargo traditional roof, indicating a wider variety of bird species were found on the green roof. Many birds, such as killdeer, American kestrel, cliff swallow, house sparrows, and field sparrows, use the green roof as feeding and nesting grounds, and particularly the killdeer overtook the green roof during their nesting period. Bird hazard levels. So I don't know if you guys know this, but around airports, birds can be hazardous to airplanes, and airplanes are hazardous to birds. Okay, so birds categorized as low and very low hazard levels were found to account for 72.4% on green roofs, as opposed to 5.6%. That means that these smaller birds that fly lower and generally don't run into airplanes um, colonized green roofs. This implies that green roofs might be safer for both birds and aircraft operations due to the types of birds they attract. Conservation potential. Cities and airports have a lot of unused rooftop space that used to be prairies and forests. This study suggests that green roofs, like the FedEx green roof, have great potential for bird conservation in urban areas. Green roofs provide safer habitats for birds and potentially lowering the risk of bird strikes, which is a significant concern for aviation safety and bird safety. Recap: green roofs provide habitat for many types of birds. We need buildings, birds need open areas with vegetation. Why not have both? References. Most of the pictures we got here are green roofs saving green dollars. And then the article that we got all the information about was from the composition and diversity of avian communities using new urban habitat green roofs. Thank you, and I hope you learned something about the fantastic green roof.